Hey guys, this is Mallory's Crafty Corner, and today I'm showing you guys how to make a blueberry muffin in a mug. So let's get on with the video. Quick reminder, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mallory's Crafty Corner and subscribe to this YouTube channel down below. So first, make sure you have your mug. I've made that mistake before. And here are the ingredients and the measurements you will need. And as you can see, I already have all of my supplies. First, we're going to get our egg white and pour it into the mug. Next, we're going to get about 2 tablespoons of honey and put it in the mug as well. Let's just watch a slow-mo of that again. This is extremely satisfying. If you need to, feel free to use a spoon to scrape all the honey out of whatever you were using to measure it with. Now we are going to mix all of this together. Then we are going to add our 1/4 of a cup of flour into the mixture as well. Then we're going to put in our 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder in. Here I'm just making sure I didn't miss all of my flour, just to be sure. Now we can add in our blueberries. Mix everything together. Be sure to not smush your blueberries though. It can be disastrous. It looks kind of disgusting, but it ends up looking better. We are going to put some nutmeg in and put it into the microwave. I put mine in for about 90 seconds, but it varies depending on which microwave you have. Now we are going to look at the final product. It looks pretty good, I say so myself. It wasn't bad when I ate it, but I honestly would never do this recipe again. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram at Mallory's Crafty Corner. Bye!